And if so, what do you think? What is the effect? Do you think?
I think what has happened.
Yes.
So far, I feel that maybe sensitization tera korupia.
Yes.
That kila kindo cheke. Yani basahambara te I'm still thinking that most of our youth barara the essence yo kuchukubate kura. Because if they had seen it, kangabono iga every vlog and that's also, and I'm taking this opportunity and then the question bara ivaito bari bakora gichukura bari bare birogo also batumeke a chance ye korari abasae elinda banyare ko anda ko register as voters because chikure china chitutakete and we need the numbers chabasaya aba teba buno into to kure metandao yo karakine kero that's what kwari gweta abantu abuna basaya barabo gakiye chukura, you know, you have been hearing this story.
Yes.
Gakiye chukura into basaye we are never seen ko okonya baragose ekero gose ne chukura chiri gose muna bono chiba elections chiri mutoiga okonya rera ini abantu bale gose 50 umusaro yo.